Hey everyone, we are here at Disney's Riviera Resort and we're going to be taking a tour of the Grand Villa, which is pretty much the top of the line. This thing is massive, so we're kind of starting off here in the kind of TV room, lounge area with the couch. Obviously, the lighting rigs are not part of this. We got a nice couch here, a couple chairs over there, nice big screen TV. And we're gonna head over here. Got a shower here. Nice marble walls. Sink. Got your toilet. So one restroom there. I believe this is another entry point over here. And this is one of the 2 bedrooms on this side. Got another restroom, bathroom over here. Nice walk-in shower. See if I can open it here. Don't know where the light switch is, but again, another marble lined shower. Got hooks for your towels. Here's lights, here we go. Got your toilet in here. Vanity here. Then over here you got your TV, chair, and you got 2 beds in here. Nice big mirror over there on the wall. Looks like the rooms do have plugs with USB ports. And really fantastic view of the surrounding area. Over there is the Disney Skyliner gondolas. You can see Caribbean Beach, a variety of different locations from around here. So let's keep going on. As I said, this is the Grand Villa, so this is as big as it gets here. And this is bedroom number 2, pretty similar to the other one. Look at the Wally artwork up here on the wall, that's really cute. Wally and Eve. Oh, and then over here you got there, I don't know if you can see it, the spaceship up there. And then right down here is Mo. So some really cute artwork. There's really, I've been noticing there's really cute artwork throughout this entire resort, which is really neat because I love artwork. So this is kind of an overview of the, and here's your private lanai, balcony, whatever you want to call it. Again, with a fantastic view of the surrounding area. Really fantastic view from here. Let's go over and check out the other side.
Cook your big meals. You can cook your breakfast, dinner, lunch. You don't even have to eat at the parks. All right, I'll show them the rooms. And I love all the paintings.
Here is the
so many
kitchen.
paintings all over the resort.
Got a nice cooktop.
Like you're in a museum.
All your dishes and
You got your own little
everything.
museum here. And then, of course, you got your 3 bathrooms.
Nice big sink.
Whoa, look at this. You got your powder bath.
And then we can head on over to the other side over here. Here is the dining area. Got a big old dining table. Have the whole family up here. And over here you got 2 nice big mirrors. Again, windows with a fantastic view. Oh, and here's some more. Again, I love the artwork at this resort. It fits the theme of the resort, that kind of French theme. But there's little, obviously, Ratatouille fits perfectly with the French theme. Got some more artwork over here. And I believe this is the master suite. Looks like either a queen. I'm not a bed expert, but either looks like a queen or a king size bed. And I think, is this connected to? Nope. The suite, the master bedroom has its own little private balcony, which is nice. Again, with a fantastic view. Got your TV here. Some lounging. And here is the master bath. Giant tub. You got your dual sinks over here. Giant walk-in shower. Look at the size of this thing. Wow. I could walk in here. You can have a party in the bathroom. Oh, you got a overhead shower for the rain effect, which is really cool. And then you have a wall-mounted kind of handle shower attachment over there. So, and then I believe in here is the potty. Yep, there's your toilet. Getting some more really cute artwork over there. You got a nice full-size mirror over there. Nice little makeup vanity over here. So that's kind of a tour of the master bath. So that's pretty much it. This is the Grand Villa here at Disney's Riviera Resort.